I have all my tools that I believe will work for me personally. You may want to get yourself an X-Acto knife, a heat gun, etc., etc. These are the things I have. They do need to be replaced. We're all prepared. Before we cut down the wire and show you the final outcome, power, camera on, ready to go. Never had the busy before. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen in. Time to listen for this on the PC. See if it has a left track and a right track. I personally don't know how one wire could get two, a left and a right, stereo sound of a mono hookup. A lot of preparing, measuring, and the way I personally want it. Waiting for the iron to heat up, cleaning, and soldering. I got something that's now made for my Yi that I can simply go out there, record, turn the camera on, set this up to my liking, and go have some fun. I want to thank everybody for stopping by on this wonderful video and how to make an excellent mono external mic charging cable. Have a great day and thank you for joining.